My name is Glenn Bates. I'm an attorney with Woods & Bates in Lincoln, Illinois. I want to talk briefly today about solar leases. So these are documents that we're seeing more and more here in Logan County, Mason County, Tazewell, and beyond. But we're reviewing these for clients, and this is a new phenomenon, a new type of energy. It's becoming increasingly popular among landowners. And what the solar companies do typically is they ask the landowners for a lease, which is in most cases a long-term agreement that allows them to install solar panels on the property. So they're asking for typically a lease of an entire farm parcel or entire real estate parcel. And there's a lot of different parts to their lease. So that lease agreement's going to have a term. The terms we're seeing are typically 20 to 30 years. So we need to make sure that we're comfortable with a long-term lease. A lot of times those have renewal contingencies, so they can be renewed for maybe another 20 to 30 years. Those are going to cover rental payments, what those rental payments are going to be annually, how it's figured. It's usually on a per acre basis. So we're going to pay you X amount of dollars per acre on an annual basis, or it could be based on energy that's produced. So understanding that payment structure is important. And then additional land use and access is also usually included in the lease. So we want to minimize disruptions. We got to make sure that there's access to these solar panels, that type of thing. Those are always in the lease. There's some risks and some challenges involved in these leases for landowners. They're lengthy. So what's going to happen when they're done? That may not be the problem of the person that owns it now, but it could be the problem of beneficiaries down the road. Property taxes may go up. Who's going to pay for the additional property taxes? When are these things going to terminate? How are they going to terminate? Are there due diligence periods? What are the payments due during those due diligence periods? So there's a lot of legalities in these lease agreements. It's really important that those are reviewed, that you understand your rights under those agreements, that you're comfortable with them, you're comfortable with the payments. And we think it's important to consult an attorney and discuss those things before you're signing these documents so that you can not only understand them, but potentially negotiate the most favorable terms that you can to protect your investment in the property and make sure that you're getting the best value for that, and to produce a limited liability wherever we can. So if we can help do that, our telephone number here is 217-735-1234. Thank you.